Did you know that somewhere in the world there is an island that doesn't look like any other island? This island looks so unique that it has been dubbed the most alien island on Earth. So what makes this island so strange and how is it formed? Keep watching to find out. Welcome back, everyone. Here you're about to see an island that looks like something from another planet. But first, remember to give us a thumbs up and support us. Without further ado, let's get started. The Earth is a planet full of surprises. Even though we have explored almost every part of our planet, there are still many places that remain unexplored. The Earth's surface is mainly covered with water and only 30% is land. We have explored the lands thoroughly, but the oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface. Scientists estimate that only about 5% of the ocean floor has been mapped. There is so much to explore in the vast oceans, lakes, and rivers. There are thousands of islands spread across the Earth's surface. Each island has a unique story to tell about its formation. But the one we are going to talk about today seems like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Welcome to Socotra Island. Socotra Island looks very different from other islands. When you first set your eyes on this island, you might think that this is some kind of a joke. Some parts of this island look like craters and others like enormous waves frozen in time. The rocky gray mountains and the white sandy beaches make it look like an alien planet. Socotra Island is located in the Indian Ocean. It is part of Yemen, situated about 240 kilometers from the southeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula. This island is unique in many ways, but its isolation is what makes it special. Socotra is one of the most isolated islands on Earth. It can be reached only by boat, and there are no roads connecting it to any other islands or countries. You can reach it only if you take a small plane or a boat from Yemen. This adds to the mystery of the island. When someone visits the island for the first time, they feel like they are in a parallel universe. Socotra is not just a single island, but a group of 4 islands and 1 islet. All these 5 pieces of land surround a large lagoon in the middle of the ocean. The total area of all the 4 islands and the islet is around 3,625 square kilometers. 3 of the islands are inhabited, while 1 is completely uninhabited. Socotra Island is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna. Around 800 species of plants can be found here, out of which 1/3 are endemic, meaning they are found nowhere else in the world. Socotra is also home to over 80 species of birds, including the Socotra starling, which is found only on the island. The waters surrounding Socotra are home to a variety of marine life, making it a popular destination for scuba divers. As beautiful and unique as the island is, sadly, it is facing a lot of problems. Socotra Island is facing a lot of environmental issues, including soil erosion, deforestation, and the introduction of invasive species. These issues have had a negative impact on the island's ecosystem. Socotra is also politically unstable, which has made it difficult for conservation efforts to be carried out effectively. Despite all these problems, Socotra remains a beautiful and unique place. Its stunning landscapes and unique wildlife continue to attract visitors from all over the world. If you ever get the chance to visit Socotra, you should definitely go. It is truly a one-of-a-kind experience. Now, you might be wondering, why does this island look like a crashed spaceship or a crashed UFO? What's the reason behind the appearance of this island? Well, there are many theories, but none of them have been proven. One theory is that the island was formed by a volcanic eruption. Another theory is that it was formed by a meteorite impact. However, there is no evidence to support either of these theories. The most widely accepted theory is that the island was formed by tectonic plate movement. Tectonic plates are huge slabs of rock that make up the Earth's crust. They are constantly moving, and when they collide, they can form mountains. It is believed that the Socotra Island was formed when 2 tectonic plates collided. This caused the land to rise up and form the island. Another factor that may have contributed to the island's unique appearance is erosion. Erosion is the process of rocks and soil being worn away by wind, water, or ice. Over time, erosion can cause dramatic changes to the shape of an island. It is possible that erosion has played a role in shaping the Socotra Island into its current form. Scientists are still trying to figure out exactly how the Socotra Island was formed. It is a complex process that likely involved a combination of factors. However, it is clear that the island is truly unique. Its appearance is unlike anything we have seen before. If you ask me, I think this island looks like an S from another planet, because it doesn't look like any other island. It looks like an alien planet. That's why I called it the most alien island on Earth. But what do you think? Does this island look like a crashed UFO or a spaceship to you? Do you believe that it's actually from another planet? Let us know in the comments below. It is believed that Socotra Island was once connected to mainland Yemen. However, over time, rising sea levels and tectonic activity created a rift between the two land masses, forming the Gulf of Aden. This separation led to the island's unique biodiversity as it became home to species that evolved in isolation from their mainland counterparts. Socotra is sometimes referred to as a living fossil due to the presence of ancient plant species such as the dragon blood tree, which is found only on the island. This tree has a distinctive umbrella-shaped canopy and produces a red sap known as dragon's blood. The island's isolation and unique geology have also contributed to its distinctive landscape. The central part of Socotra consists of a raised coral reef that formed over millions of years. This, combined with volcanic activity and sedimentary deposits, created a mountainous terrain with deep valleys and coastal plains. The highest point on the island is Mount Harba, which stands at 500 meters. Socotra has a tropical climate with distinct wet and dry seasons. The wet season, which occurs from April to October, brings heavy rainfall and can result in flooding. The dry season, on the other hand, lasts from November to March and is characterized by hot temperatures and little rainfall. These climatic conditions have shaped the island's ecology and influenced the types of plants and animals that can survive there. The indigenous people of Socotra, known as the Kutri, have a rich culture and history. They have developed unique traditions and customs that reflect their environment and way of life. The Kuti people are known for their hospitality and close-knit communities, as well as their traditional clothing and cuisine. They primarily live off subsistence farming, fishing, and the collection of frankincense, a resin that is extracted from trees and used in perfumes and incense. The Socotra archipelago consists of 4 main islands and several smaller ones. The largest island, Socotra Island, covers an area of 3,625 square kilometers. The second largest island is Abd al-Kuri, which is only 50 kilometers in length and is largely uninhabited. The other 2 main islands are Perku and Little Socotra, both of which have small populations. Despite its natural beauty and cultural significance, Socotra has faced numerous challenges throughout its history. In recent years, the island has experienced severe droughts, which have affected agriculture and water resources. Additionally, political instability in Yemen, of which Socotra is a part, has impacted the island's economy and infrastructure. Efforts are being made to promote sustainable development on Socotra, balancing the need to preserve its unique ecosystem with the need to improve the lives of the people who live there. Conservation programs have been implemented to protect endangered species and restore degraded ecosystems. Additionally, initiatives have been taken to promote ecotourism, which can bring in revenue to the local economy while raising awareness about the island's importance. The future of Socotra depends on the ability of its people and the international community to address the challenges it faces. With proper management and conservation, this remarkable island can continue to thrive, offering a glimpse into a world unlike any other. That was all about the video. Did you enjoy watching it? Tell us in the comment section below. Please subscribe for more videos like this.